If you want a creative way to get more eyeballs and engagement for your products on Instagram, creating a reel featuring them by using a trending audio track like Andrew James's Vibes is a great way to get started. Over 77,000 creators and brands have already used this track to post highly engaging reels. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to do that in under 15 minutes using this InVideo template. Just select the correct aspect ratio for the template. Here it's going to be the vertical 9:16 since this is for Instagram. And click on Use this template, which will take you to the editor. If you have your own product images and videos, you can upload them using the upload option in the left menu, or you can recreate this using stock images and video clips from the InVideo library as well. For this tutorial, we are making a reel for a men's trimmer brand, and we'll create this entirely using stock images from the InVideo library. So you can mirror this in case you don't have any media of your own. Now let's begin editing. For the first 4 scenes on the timeline, we want to show the different features of the trimmer by showing different attachments. Let's begin with the first scene. Select the image on the canvas and then click on the Image tab in the left menu to open up the stock image library. You can then use this search bar on top of the images to search for specific images that you're looking for. We want to search for beard trimmers. Type it out and hit enter. And this will open up all the images with trimmers, and you can scroll through to pick one you like. Once you find an image you like, simply drag and drop it onto the cosmetic image on the canvas. A pop-up window will appear where you want to hit replace. Now this image has a background while the template image didn't. So we need to go ahead and actually remove the background of this image. If you are on a paid plan with InVideo, you can select this option that says remove background on top of the canvas and get rid of the background with one click. But if you aren't ready to upgrade, you can always use any other online background remover to get rid of the same and download your images with transparent backgrounds. For the text, we want to mention a feature of the trimmer. So to change the text, we will double click on it on the canvas and this will open up the edit window on the left. Here I will type out my own text. We want to say close shave. And with that, we're done with the first scene. Now you want to go ahead and replace the rest of the scenes in the template in a similar fashion. Once you're done, we move on to the fifth scene, which is text against a colored backdrop. We want to go ahead and change the text to match our brand's messaging. Now this template repeats the word glowing 6 times and the effect looks cool. Each of these are separate text boxes, and we want to replace it with the word groomed. So we will individually have to select each text box and then change the word in the edit window on the left. Once this is done, let's move on to the next scene. In the sixth scene, the template has a short video clip that we want to replace with the clip of a man shaving using a trimmer. So we will select the clip on the canvas and then we will go to the video tab on the left menu and use the search bar to search for a man trimming his beard. Scroll through to find a clip you like and then drag and drop it onto the canvas. A pop-up window will appear where you want to click replace. This will open up another pop-up window where you want to trim the duration of the clip, which is shown by this vertical dotted line on the player. Click on this option that says trim video to fit scene and your video will automatically be cut to the duration. Click on add and it will get replaced on the template. Now we want to change the text as well in the scene. So double click on the text on the template and in the edit window that opens up, type in your own. We are going to say with the perfect beard trimmer. And with that, this scene is done too. Now let's move on to the last scene. Here again, we have cutout images that we want to replace with our own trimmer images. This is super easy to do. Just go to the uploads option in the left menu and all the images that you removed the backgrounds for earlier are already present here as independent assets. To replace the template images, select the image on the canvas and then drag and drop the corresponding image from the uploads folder on there. Then click on replace in the pop-up window that appears and do the same for the second image as well. Once the images are replaced, go ahead and add your website by double-clicking on the text box on the canvas. And finally, it's time to add your logo. Select the logo on the canvas and this will open up the logo menu on the left. Upload your logo image using the upload button on top of the section and then click on the image to replace it throughout the canvas. Once all the scenes are done, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel. If everything looks good, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and hit export. We suggest you choose the 180p resolution as this gives you the best results. You can recreate this trend for different types of brands as well. For instance, if you have a dental clinic, you can use it to showcase your services like this. When you're ready to upload, make sure you use the link in the description to open the trending audio track on Instagram on your phone. Here, select the button on the bottom of the screen that says Use this audio. This will open up the Reels camera. Here you can use this option at the bottom left corner to upload your edited reel. Instagram automatically mutes your original audio, and since it's already synced to the music you've chosen, you don't need to make any additional adjustments. Go to the caption window by clicking Next and add your caption and hashtags. Once that is done, you can just check if everything looks good and then hit Share. And that's how you can showcase your products by creating a reel within video and get more engagement for your brand or business.